Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 EVS subject. In our previous video we have started our new lesson Fun with Clay and also completed the story of Crow and Kothimbu, one kind of fruit. Okay, so let's start with the page number 102. Think and write. Why did the crow need a pot? Why? The crow wanted to eat Kothimbu. When the crow went to break and eat the Kothimbu with his beak, Kothimbu said to him, "First go and wash your dirty beak." The crow went to the well and asked for some water to wash his beak. The well said, "If you want water, get a pot from the potter and fill it with water so that you can wash your beak." This is why the crow wanted a pot. So the simple answer is the crow needed a pot to fill water. Because he wanted to wash his beak with the water. Now second one. Who all helped the crow to make the pot? Who all? So the blacksmith, the timber and the potter helped the crow to make a pot. Now third one. What things did the potter need? What things did the potter need to make a pot? The potter needed clay, water and a potter's wheel to make the pot. Are there utensils made of clay in your house? Which are these? So my answer is yes. Utensils like a pot for storing water, a cellophane for making rotlas, pot for plants, etc. made from clay are there in my house. Now ask this question to yourself and write your own answer, that which are utensils made of clay in your house. Next, if someone gives you clay, will you be able to make some utensils from it? So my answer is no, I can't, because potter have practiced and know the skill to make pots and other utensils from clay. So potter can make utensils from it, but I can't. So now again ask this question to yourself and write your own answer. A bowl from a ball of clay. So this is the activity based exercise, students. Knead clay and make a big ball. Using your thumb, make a small pit in the center by pressing so that it looks like a ball. Leave it to dry and then decorate it. You can put things you like in this ball. So when you take a kneaded clay ball and when you press it in the center by thumb, so you can make a bowl like this. Okay, so this is the activity based exercise, students. You can try it by yourself at your home. Now the next, a bowl from a roll of clay. It is also activity based exercise. Knead some clay with water. Keep aside some clay mixed with water. This will serve as glue to bind two different pieces of kneaded clay. So when you mix some clay with water, it acts like glue. So you can use it like glue. Bind two different pieces of kneaded clay. Take a part of the kneaded clay and roll it like a thick chapati. Just like this. Roll it like a thick chapati. This will be the base of the ball. This will be the base of ball. Then roll the rest of the kneaded clay like a snake. Like this. Roll Roll the rest of the kneaded clay like a snake. Then fix the snake-shaped clay on the base to make a pot as shown in the picture. So when you fix the snake-shaped clay on the base, you can make a bowl like this. You can see. When you fix the snake-shaped clay on the base, you can make bowl like this. You can see. Okay, students. So write the question and answer in your book as a homework. Okay. Thank you.